You spend hours perfecting a handmade craft, open your online store, and then watch your work get buried under a mountain of factory-made goods. You get zero sales, and the hidden platform fees quietly drain your bank account. Over the next 6 minutes, we are going to build a complete blueprint to launch your shop correctly. We will establish your brand, calculate a mathematically perfect pricing matrix, and apply 7 specific optimization tips to rank your items on page 1 of the search results. To follow along, you only need 2 things: a solid product idea and a calculator. Executing this exact preparation sequence before you list a single item marks the dividing line between funding an expensive hobby and running a scalable e-commerce business. Step 1 is locking in your specific niche. Attempting to sell jewelry, custom mugs, and digital planners in the same store confuses buyers. Find a specific gap in the market and commit to it. Once you have your niche, determine your core aesthetic. Whether it is cozy cottagecore or sleek urban modern, this single feeling will dictate your entire customer experience, from your product design to your packaging. This split-screen comparison shows how aesthetic translates into visual identity. On the left, a memorable logo and matching banner create a cohesive, trustworthy environment. On the right, mismatched fonts and random product types signal to buyers that the seller is inexperienced. A common mistake is trying to soften your brand to appeal to the mass market. If you design for everyone, you design for no one. Narrowing your focus to a highly specific, visually consistent niche allows you to build brand recognition in a highly saturated marketplace. Step 2 is calculating your margins. Before you assign a price to your product, you must map out Etsy's exact fee structure. This graphic shows a standard transaction. We start with a hypothetical $50 sale price. Listing an item costs 20 cents, which keeps the product live on your storefront for 4 months. Next, the platform deducts 6.5% of the total sale price as a transaction fee. Keep in mind, this percentage includes whatever you charge for shipping. On our $50 item, that is $3.25. Then comes the payment processing fee. For US sellers, this is a flat 3% plus 25 cents per transaction. That takes another $1.75 off the board. If we assume $10 in material and shipping costs, we can tally the true take-home margin. Your $50 sale actually yields $34.80 in net profit. Skipping this math is the primary reason new sellers generate consistent sales but still operate at a financial loss. By mapping the specific fee matrix first, you remove the guesswork from your product pricing and mathematically guarantee your profit margins. With your brand and pricing secured, we can execute the 7 optimization tips. Tip 1. Select a shop name between 4 and 20 characters long. If your first choice is taken, append descriptive words like studio or boutique rather than using random numbers. Tip 2. Optimize your shop visibility using search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO is the practice of using specific, detailed phrases so that search algorithms know exactly who to show your products to. This diagram illustrates how a generic search term cascades into specific phrases, known as long-tail keywords. To capture this traffic, place these exact phrases in your product titles, fill out all 13 available tag slots, and front-load your primary keywords into the first 160 characters of your item description. Tip 3. Maximize your visual appeal. Use all 10 available photo slots. Include close-ups, lifestyle shots of the product in use, and an object for scale. This comparison illustrates the difference. A dark, cluttered image repels buyers. A well-lit photo using natural light builds immediate trust and clearly communicates the product's quality. Precise keyword optimization puts you on page 1, but high-quality lifestyle imagery is the mechanism that actually converts a passing browser into a paying customer. Tip 4. Research your competitors. Analyze their styling, track their pricing tiers, and study the keywords they use in their titles. Learn from their structure without directly copying their work. Tip 5. Join the Etsy community forums. Networking with similar sellers allows you to cross-promote items and absorb operational best practices from established shops. Tip 6. Establish strict customer service standards. Reply to all buyer messages within 24 hours and set crystal clear expectations for processing and shipping times. Following up with your buyers to secure 5-star reviews builds social proof, which directly improves your algorithmic ranking on the platform. Tip 7. Build external funnels. This flowchart maps out external traffic sources. Use Pinterest as a visual search engine to display your products, and use short-form video on TikTok to document your creative process, routing viewers directly to your listings. Maintaining high customer service metrics while actively driving your own external traffic shields your business from relying exclusively on Etsy's internal search algorithm. You now possess a highly specific brand identity, a foolproof pricing matrix, and a strategy to drive traffic and convert sales. Navigate to the platform, officially register your selected shop name, and draft your very first optimized listing. It's time to push your shop live and secure your first sale. If you found this blueprint helpful, subscribe for more e-commerce strategies. Executing this exact sequence transforms a creative passion project into a measurable, scalable online business.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Subscribe to AI Skills Learn for more awesome content. And don't forget to like and share this video.